Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about 5 surprising ways AI can revolutionize your daily routine. First off, did you know that AI can help you save energy at home? By using smart devices that learn your habits and adjust settings accordingly, you can reduce your energy consumption without even thinking about it. Next, let's talk about meal planning. With AI-powered apps, you can receive recipe recommendations based on your dietary preferences and what ingredients you already have in your kitchen. This can help you save time and reduce food waste. And speaking of saving time, AI can also help you streamline your daily tasks. From organizing your calendar to setting reminders, AI assistants can keep you on track and make your day more efficient. So, next time you think AI is just about robots and sci-fi movies, remember how it can truly revolutionize your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a tech-savvy life. Uplifting ending sentence: embrace the power of AI and watch your daily routine transform for the better.
Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, I want to talk to you about 3D printing and how it surprisingly challenges the concept of discipline every time. One of the reasons why discipline fails with 3D printing is the unpredictable nature of the technology. Even with precise settings and careful planning, there's always a chance for unexpected errors or malfunctions. This constant need for troubleshooting and problem-solving forces us to adapt and think on our feet. Another way 3D printing defies
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about the fascinating connection between routine and quantum computing. Our daily routines may seem mundane, but they actually play a crucial role in shaping our minds and behaviors. Just like how quantum bits, or qubits, are the building blocks of quantum computing, our habits and routines are the building blocks of our daily lives. Main story point 1. By engaging in mindful and intentional routines, we can train our brains to think more creatively and adapt to new challenges, much like how quantum computers process information in a nonlinear way. Main story point 2. Additionally, routines help us establish a sense of stability and consistency, which is essential for quantum computing to function efficiently and accurately. So, next time you find yourself going through your daily routine, remember that you are not just going through the motions, you are actively shaping your mind and preparing yourself for quantum leaps in the future. Uplifting ending sentence: embrace the power of routine and watch your transformation unfold. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.
Hey there, smart home enthusiasts. Have you ever thought about how smart homes can actually boost your confidence in unexpected ways? Well, stick around, because today we're going to explore 5 surprising ways that smart homes can enhance your self-assurance. First off, imagine walking into a perfectly climate-controlled room without lifting a finger. With a smart thermostat, you can set the perfect temperature for your home, giving you the confidence to feel comfortable and focused all day long. Next up, let's talk about smart security systems. Whether you're at home or away, knowing that your smart home is equipped with top-notch security features like cameras and sensors can give you peace of mind and boost your confidence in the safety of your space. So there you have it, folks. Smart homes not only make your life easier, but also boost your confidence in ways you never imagined. From managing your home's energy efficiency to keeping you safe and secure, smart homes have a way of making you feel empowered and in control.
Hey there, welcome to today's short video. Today, I'll be sharing with you 5 mindful tips to boost your confidence in 3D printing. First tip: practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. Every failed print is a learning opportunity to improve your skills. Next, embrace the learning process. Take the time to understand the different settings and materials to achieve the best results. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Each successful print is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Keep pushing yourself to new heights. In the world of 3D printing, confidence is key. By incorporating these mindful tips into your practice, you'll be well on your way to becoming a 3D printing pro in no time.